Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Ruby Bakilar Binawe, 45 years old, married, and blessed with the two children. I'm a college graduate. I work as a household helper in the Philippines for 3 years, since 2022 to 2024. I serve one widow and two children. My duties are taking care of children, cleaning the house, cooking, and marketing. I'm also work as a domestic helper for 2 years in Saudi Arabia since 2014 and to 2016. I serve one widow and two children. My main duties are took the children going to school, help them to do their homework, clean the house, and cooking. Mom and Sir, if you will choose me and give me a chance, I will do my best to serve your family well. I'm a hardworking, responsible person. I will promise to you to finish my 2 years contract to serve your family well. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day ahead and see you soon.